Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install FontBase for managing brand fonts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install FontBase for managing brand fonts, start by visiting the official FontBase website. Once on the website, look for the download button prominently displayed. Click on the download button to begin downloading the FontBase installer. After the download is complete, locate the installer file in your downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to initiate the installation process. When prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions to continue. Select the installation location if prompted, or simply proceed with the default settings. Wait for the installation to finish, which should only take a few moments. Once installed, launch FontBase by clicking on the application icon. After opening, you will be greeted with an intuitive interface. To begin adding your fonts, click on the Add Fonts button. Navigate to the folder where your brand fonts are stored. Select the font files you want to import and click Open. FontBase will process the files and add them to your collection. You can organize your fonts into collections for easier access. To do this, click on New Collection and name it appropriately. Drag and drop your imported fonts into the new collection. Now, you can preview your fonts in the FontBase interface. To integrate your fonts into design software, select the desired font. Click on the Activate button to make it available for use. FontBase allows you to deactivate fonts when they are not needed. This helps keep your workspace organized and fast. You're now all set to manage your brand fonts effectively with FontBase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.